Hey everybody, I hope your weekend is started amazing. Well, we've had a relatively flat week in mortgage-backed securities. As far as the trading market goes, we're basically on day 3 of a 4-day weekend, Juneteenth, a federal holiday. And then when you have a Friday that happens after a holiday, like it usually has very, very muted trading, which we saw yesterday. But we did have some big news this week. I mean, we had a Fed meeting. There was no rate cut. There wasn't expected to be any rate cut. They did still forecast 2 rate cuts for the rest of the year. Fed rate cut forecast and or hikes are kind of like the weatherman, though. Nothing's guaranteed because it really all depends on the data. Now, I've seen a lot of people come out and like blast Powell for not cutting rates. So first of all, when the Fed cuts rates, that does not have a direct impact on mortgage rates. So if the Fed cut rates a quarter of a point, mortgage rates aren't going to drop a quarter of a point. And, the Fed said they messed up. They kept rates too low for too long, which is why we saw the inflation that we did. And they really don't want to go back there. And overall, I mean, the economy is pretty strong. I mean, jobs numbers are still good. Unemployment is still relatively low. There's not a lot of pressure in the market for them to cut rates. So, I mean, are they right? Are they wrong? Like, I don't know. I'm a nerd for this stuff, but I'm not that smart. And so I trust that they are doing the best thing to try to make sure that they can hopefully get rates lower soon and hopefully help push long-term rates down not at the expense of raising inflation. So that's your update for the week. There's some more data next week. I'll keep you posted. I'm Sean Zalmanoff. I appreciate you. If you need anything, as always, just holler. Peace out.